Children, you have to study advantage and disadvantage of hard water. Advantage means how the hard water is useful to us. Advantage. Disadvantage, it means how the hard water are harmful to us. So you have to study advantage and disadvantage of hard water. First you see advantage of hard water, how the hard water is useful to us. First is hard water contain salt. So dissolved salts are present. That salt make water tasty. Therefore, hard water is used in the preparation of beverage and wine. Beverage is alcoholic drinks. So, for the preparation of it, hard water is used. Because when hard water is used, then it is tasty. Taste is due to presence of salt in the hard water. Second point is, there in the hard water, calcium and magnesium salt are. These salts are essential for the growth of bone and teeth of our body. Therefore, if we are drinking the hard water, then we can get calcium and magnesium salt, and that is useful for the growth of bone and teeth of our body. Third point is hard water checking the poisoning of water by lead pipes. The pipe through which water is supplied or water is carried, it contains some lead salt. Lead. And it will make water poisonous. If hard water is there passing through the pipe, like calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate are present, then they will form insoluble lead sulfate in the form of layer. And when it is insoluble, then it will check the lead poisoning, means water cannot be poisonous. So these are the advantage of hard water. First is hard water is useful in the preparation of beverage and wine. Second is hard water is essential for growth. Hard water is good for drinking because it contains calcium and magnesium, which is essential for growth of bone and teeth. Third is hard water check the poisoning of water by lead pipes. Next is disadvantage. Disadvantage. So what are the disadvantage of hard water? Hard water. How it is harmful? First is hard water, if used for producing steam, then and that is passing, that is in the boiler. Steam is made in the boiler. So when hard water is used for making the steam in the boiler, then dissolved salt change into insoluble and deposited on the inner surface. And when in the inner surface it is deposited, then it forms the pipe or boiler gets narrow due to deposition of insoluble salt. And when boiler is heated for producing the steam, due to unequal expansion, because somewhere it had deposited, then there is less expansion because it is bad conductor, and where it had not deposited, that is good conductor, there is more expansion. Due to unequal expansion, boiler may burst. So this salt which had deposited, that will make the bore of the boiler narrow. That we can see in the tea kettle also. In the tea kettle, hard water used for making the tea. Then in the bottom of the kettle, see, this is the kettle. It is used for making the tea. Then hard salt, which responsible for hardness of water, that is deposited in the bottom. Because on heating, it change into insoluble substance, like calcium hydrogen carbonate change to calcium carbonate, magnesium hydrogen carbonate change to magnesium carbonate, and deposited here, and a layer of insulator is formed. So there is the wastage of heat. Other is hard water is unfit for washing. Unfit for washing. It means if you are using hard water for washing the cloth, so there is wastage of soap. How there is the wastage of soap when you are using the hard water? So soap is sodium stearate or potassium stearate is the soap. So chemically, soap is the sodium salt of stearic acid. What is the soap? Soap is sodium salt of stearic acid. So it is sodium stearate. Sodium stearate. Sodium stearate. Its formula is written as NaSt, sodium stearate. But actual molecular formula of the sodium stearate is C17 H35 COONA. It is sodium stearate. And when it is used for the washing, then sodium stearate will react with calcium hydrogen carbonate and will form calcium stearate. It will form calcium stearate, CaSt2. And this calcium stearate is insoluble. It will form as a soap curd. Soap curd. So sodium stearate react with calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate, form calcium stearate or magnesium stearate. And calcium stearate and magnesium stearate is the soap curd. It is slimy precipitate. So when hard water is used for washing the cloth, then calcium or magnesium ion react with soap, form slimy precipitate of calcium stearate or magnesium stearate. it will not form the lather. So there is the wastage of the soap. Lather is not formed, then it cannot clean our cloth. There is difficulty in washing the cloth. There is the wastage of the soap. So this problem was solved by using synthetic detergent. Synthetic detergent like surf, that are used. Then this slimy precipitate will not form, soap curd is not formed, lather is formed, then it can clean the cloth. So this is the wastage of the soap if hard water is used for washing the cloth with soap.